Hello friends, so I'm here again with some tips to select the suitable journal for your research. Read the journal in the scope and ensure the journal focus aligned with your research. Okay, check the journal publication ethics. Every good journal and publisher have to share the transparency policies on their website. So if you can see the good website with all this detail, you must be follow that journal. But again, ensure the journal adherence to the ethical publishing practices. Then look for transparency. Check if the journal provide clear information about its peer review process, publication fees and editorial policies, etc. Evaluate the journal website. Access the journal website for professionalism and ease of use. Common pitfall which you may avoid, like while selecting a journal, be aware of the following common pitfalls. Predatory journals, shows avoid journals with the unclear or missing peer review processes, excessive publication fee and poor editorial board, and with the false promises like they can publish your manuscript within a week, within 10 days, within 2 days, within 3 days. It is not possible to follow the rigorous peer review process during a short time period, right? Then low quality journals, you can understand about the quality, that the precautions of a low quality, low impact factor or the false impact factor should be mentioned on the journal websites. Poor reputation or lack of indexing. To find the indexing, you must go through the website of the journal and then the abstracting and indexing website also, like Scopus, Web of Science, PubMed, ABDC, and other indexing platforms. Like, and finally, I'm concluding this message that selecting the right journal for your research publication is a crucial step in dissemination of your findings to the academic community, right? So by considering the journal selection criteria, tips and common pitfalls outlined in this video, in this short video, you can increase your chances to publish in a reputable journal. Remember to carefully evaluate each journal and make an informed decision aligned with your research goal. You may even additionally get the resources like Directory of Open Access Journal, Journal Citation Report, Scopus, Web of Science. Thank you.